dual-tone dual LED flash, and 4K video recording. The Black Shark also has whopping 20-megapixel front-facing camera. The Nubia Red Magic comes with a single 24-megapixel shooter at the back and an 8-megapixel shooter at the front. Unlike the other two smartphones, the Nubia Red Magic's primary camera isn't very attractive on paper. It only has face detection autofocus and a single-tone LED flash. In terms of performance, the Nubia Red Magic and Razer Phone use Qualcomm Snapdragon 835, while the Xiaomi Black Shark uses Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 is the successor to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 835, and it has more processing and graphic powers. Hence, the Xiaomi Black will be able to provide better graphic performance. All the three smartphones are loaded with Android 8.1 Oreo OS. While the Razer Phone has stock Android UI, the Xiaomi Black Shark has MIUI 9 customization, and the Nubia Red Magic has Red Magic customization. The battery life is one of the most important criteria in a gaming smartphone, and the Razer Phone leads the pack with its 4000 mAh battery and whopping 24 watts quick charge 4+ fast charging. The Xiaomi Black Shark also has a 4000 mAh battery, but it still uses a comparatively slower quick charge 3.0 fast charging. The Nubia Red Magic lags behind the other two smartphones with its comparatively smaller 3800 mAh battery. The Nubia Red Magic has fast charging, but the company hasn't revealed the charging rate figures. The Razer Phone lags behind the Xiaomi Black Shark in graphic power, but it still has tons of graphic power to run the heaviest of the games smoothly. The Razer Phone also has a 120Hz display, which we think is a boon for gaming. Lastly, the Razer Phone has very powerful stereo speakers, which will provide a most impressive gaming experience. Considering the facts, we think that Razer Phone is the best gaming smartphone. As for the Nubia Red Magic, it has better thermal dissipation and RGB lighting at the back, but the phone doesn't have any special hardware for gaming. The Nubia Red Magic is a good smartphone overall with great aesthetics, but it is not the best gaming smartphone. So what do you guys think? Do you agree with us, or you disagree? Leave us your thought in the comment section below. Please give us a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next update. The Razer Phone was the one to start the gaming smartphone trend. Following the footsteps of Razer, the two Chinese manufacturers Nubia and Xiaomi have launched their gaming smartphones. Currently, neither of three smartphones are available in India, but there is a possibility that might launch in India soon. So which smartphone should you go with? Find out here in Gadget boom. The Nubia Red Magic is priced around 26,000 Indian rupee for the 6GB of RAM plus 64GB of storage variant, and 31,000 Indian rupee for the 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage variant. The Xiaomi Black Shark is priced at 31,000 Indian rupee for the 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. And for the 8GB of RAM and 120GB of storage variant, it is around 36,000 Indian rupee. The Razer Phone has only one variant, and it costs around $699 or approximately 46,000 Indian rupee in the USA. If the device launched in India, it might be priced almost 50,000 Indian rupee. The Razer Phone is the only one to have a gaming-oriented screen. It has a 5.7-inch QHD display with IPS LCD technology and 120Hz refresh rate. The Razer Phone's 120Hz display provides significantly smoother viewing experience compared to the other smartphones' displays that are maxed out at 16Hz. The display of Xiaomi Black Shark doesn't feature high refresh rate, but it has the TCI P3 color gamut, which means the display will have more color spectrum coverage and more color accuracy, and that might result in better gaming experience. The Black Shark has a 5.99-inch IPS LCD unit with Full HD Plus resolution. The Nubia Red Magic neither has higher refresh rate display, nor the display has any wide color gamut feature. However, the display is protected by Dinorex T2X1 scratch and shock resistant glass. The display of the Nubia Red Magic is a 6-inch IPS LCD unit with Full HD Plus resolution. The Razer Phone has a 12 plus 12 megapixel dual camera at the back with face detection autofocus, dual tone dual LED flash, and 4K video recording. The front-facing camera is an 8 megapixel unit. The Xiaomi Black Shark 2 comes with a dual camera setup but has 12 plus 20 megapixel sensor. The camera is aided by 12 pixel face detection autofocus